This is Xiurong-san. This is my Module 12 assignment, developing a data protocol and a graphic organizer. This is my data protocol. I will share my data protocol with other teachers. Data protocol can help teams to navigate difficult and uncomfortable conversations by providing a logical series of questions for team members to discuss, a template on which to record conclusions, the opportunity for all team members to become actively involved, comprehensive analysis that will lead to definitive actions. My data protocol includes 5 stages. Stage 1, data collection. This stage will tell us where are we now. Stage 2, data analysis. Stage 3, reflection. These 2 stages will tell us how did we get to where we are now. Stage 4, plan and implementation. This stage will tell us how are we going to where we want to be. Stage 5, evaluation. This stage will tell us is what we are doing making a difference. Next will be the graphic organizer template. I will share this template with other teachers. The other teachers can also use this template to record their thoughts and ideas. In this template includes the following contents. Where are we now? Like how many students are in level 0, level 1, level plus, or level 2? Where do we want to be? In this part, teacher will talking about our goal, like how many students can get to level 1 plus 1 month later, how many in 2 months later, how many in 3 months later, how many in 4 months later. How did we get to where we are now? We will split 3 parts like listening, speaking, and reading. What instruction strategy worked? What strategy needed to be reconsidered? How are we going to get to where we want to be? We need talking about what skills do we need to focus on, listening, speaking, or reading. What is your plan? How to implement it? Is what we are doing making a difference? Ongoing evaluation is required. How will we evaluate progress? What progress did our students make compared to yesterday, last week, or last month? Okay, this is my reference. Thank you.